The Department of International Student Services at the UW says 6 current students and 7 alumni on employment extensions had their visas terminated with no warning or reason.
Our Arman Rahman spoke to a political science expert about how it happened and what to do if you are an international student feeling nervous about the future of your status.
Immigration lawyers and political experts tell me the way these students had their visas terminated is something they've never seen done in the United States before, and international students should be on alert.
This revocation that's happening all across the country is arbitrary.
Arbitrary visa terminations and deportation is something immigration lawyer Huma Hassan says she hasn't seen before, and neither have the people that she helps.
I get a lot of calls these days about very fearful international students.
Hassan says any student who got a revocation notice should immediately file for reinstatement, especially if it's due to some type of court case or minor offense. They'll need a letter indicating that the case was dropped.
They will also need some information from either the school or the employer saying, yes, we want this international student.
But for many students,
people are being deported who profess to have no idea why.
Political science expert Howard Schwaber says the Trump administration is using a law designed to deport people the Secretary of State says is a threat to national security.
That if these people had said when they applied for a visa that they intend to express criticisms of Israel, we would never have let them in, and therefore we can now kick them out. Freedoms of speech apply not only to citizens, freedom of speech applies to anyone who's in the United States.
UW-Madison officials say they played no role in these terminations. Hassan says that makes applying for reinstatement more complicated.
This student has, been flagged somehow.
And Hassan says now more than ever the community should stand up for international students.
They bring so much to this area, a lot of the research, a lot of the funding, a lot of the grants, a lot of the innovation of Madison is done by international students.
Reporting in Madison, Arman Rahman, News 3 Now.
And Hassan also recommends international students and all immigrants keep multiple copies of their paperwork, passports, and visa in different locations.